Hello, it's Jan Clarice Mcasan again from BS Ed Math 3B. Now, ang gagawin natin is how to get in touch with the integral command. Syempre, using GeoGebra again. It is so easy to do. In just 3 simple steps, we can work with an integral command. First, using the graphing calculator, define the function f of x equals x squared by entering the equation of the function into the input bar. Once done, we can now calculate the indefinite integral of f of x using the command. How can we do this? Use the integral key on the virtual keyboard, put f inside the parentheses and enter. Lastly, calculate the definite integral of f of x between 0 and 3 with the command. We can do that by entering the integral key again and putting f, 0, 3 inside the parentheses. And it's done! We already did the integral command. Kung nakasunod kayo, congratulations! It is so easy and simple, right? That's all for this video. I hope you learned and enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.